I will see what is semantic tags. So this way your output will display. You can design more way. But now before that, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Now what is the use of semantic tag? That it helps the browser, that is it helps the browser to, you can give the meaning to your content. So it helps the search engine to search your page very easily. So we will see one by one. So first I'll explain you that what these areas are and how you can change also. So upper area is called header. Okay, it is called header. So it is at the top, so search engine can easily understand this is header. So we have to use that tag header. And then this is called navigation bar. So this second bar is called navigation. So here mostly links are given, main hyperlinks are given here of the web page. So this is called navigation. So nav tag is used, and this is called this is in line color. This area is called, this is called section. Now section is used to divide the page into number of sections. In that section you can use articles. It is not compulsory that article can be, so this red, this is article, this box. So you can not only display in section article but also within a section article, or article within a section also you can use it. So you can not only display one article but here also one more article, or even 3-4 articles. So you have to change the size, and this is called aside. Aside is used mostly when you want to display the contents related to the matter which is tangentially present in the website. And article is used, it is an independent section for blogs, articles, feedback and so on. And below is this one is below, last one is called footer. So it by this it helps search engine very easily, like for what these are used very easily. Previously div tag were used, now for header that is header tag is used. So we'll see now. So here, so I'll show you one by one how to create this. So I'll comment this. Comment means non-executable, that below lines I'll make it in comment so that you can understand each and every line. So I'll make it in comment rest of the lines, so one line by line will understand. So comments are given to CSS in /star, and these also only header will keep on, rest all will keep on comment. So for HTML tags you have to use comment means non-executable, so I don't want this part for temporary to be used. So I will use exclamation minus sign, and you have to close here. That is, this part is not non-executable. So why I'm doing this, so that one by one you will understand how the tags are displayed. See, now this upper is header tag. So how to define that? First, see, this is internal CSS. So in head section after title tag I had used style tag. So whenever you want to define CSS, you have to use style tag. In this is internal CSS, so in this page only I had written the code, HTML code, plus I had used semantic tags. So header, so I had declared here selector. In CSS this is called selector. So I had declared this background color as purple, semicolon, then width 100% I want, height and white. This color is used for text color. So I had closed this. So 100% means the width of that header is 100%. Now here body tag, in body tag I had written h1 align center, I had written this, so this will be in heading tag, in which section? Header section. So this way it is, and all the most of the tags are block level tags. Block level means till the end it will occupy. Now we will declare navigation, that is navigation bar. So navigation is used to create a links. So here I'll make this as a comment. Comment means non-executable rest of the lines. Now we will remove from here this. Now nav tag is used to create a navigation. So I'll write here exclamation so below, so you'll understand one by one. So now which tag is used? Nav tag. In that you have to mostly declare the hyperlinks, and in CSS, that is you have to use nav, that is a selector. You can even use that is class CSS or ID CSS. So here directly I had used selector, that is tag name, then body color this, and width 100% and height. Now we'll see output. So this is navigation bar having hyperlinks, and upper is header section. Now I want this side, that is because all tags occupy 100%. Now I'll remove this next bar, that is section. Section is used to divide the page into number of sections. So I'll make this rest part as a comment, means I don't want this latter part to be executed. I want only this current part to be executed. So I will remove this. And I'll show you even article I had used. So immediately article also I'll show you. But before that, let's see section. But article is also used. So let's see. You have to use comment tag here. Comment exclamation you have to use. Minus minus, so that now you have to close your section tag. See, now this is section tag. Okay, now how I had declared. So I had in CSS, that is internal CSS, I had declared this float left, because why? I want to in that right side, that is right side, I want to write like most of web page you had seen that navigation bars are there here, small links are given, so you can define these links in this area. So mostly a side tag is used for representing the contents which are related to the website. So we will see now. So here float left is given. Why? Because I want section on left side and aside as right side. Because, and background color width 70%, height 60%. Now you can give anything. Display blocking, this is very important. If you don't give, it will occupy 100% of the width, that is it will occupy full space. Means if I use a side, it will come below, so I don't want that. So to make it to occupy only this much space till here, so display inline block inline is used, that is value of display block inline. So now we will write article into it. Article is the independent section which is mostly used for blogs or feedback comments. Okay, so we will see now here. So rest part I'll make it as comment. I'll remove from here also, that is I will remove this. I'll make this part as a, so I am writing now article into section part. So in one section you can have number of articles. So I'll make now this part as a comment below part. Now see, now in red this is called article. Now how I had defined and declared, see here, article color I had given. Now this is very important because we are using here in section tag we are using article. See now here, see this section tag. In this section tag we had used article. Now you should remember this, like this is here you can see now what I had written here. See, in section here, in section I had used width 70, height 60%. So article will consider this as a 100% because it is between section. Article is between section. So here this 90% means it is, that is it will consider this as 100%. So it will occupy 90% of the space of this. So because it is in between this, 50% means now this height is nothing but height is 100% for article of section. So 50% means half of it. Okay, so suppose now let's change. See, now you'll understand. So this is for article. So this, it had occupied width of 90% of what? Of section. So this is very important. Means for it section is 100%. So it will 90% of article means it is occupying 90% of the section. So whatever section might be, but for article it is 100%. So because we had written article in between which tag? Section tag. Even you can do opposite, article within section, section within article. Now here you can display one more article. So we'll see that after aside. So even you can change this, like suppose I want to change the article width as suppose 50. See, now it is 50% of this section. Suppose I say 100%. So it will occupy, sorry, so it is occupying 100% of section in width. Suppose I say 10%. So it will be very small. So 60. Suppose I say width height as suppose 20. So this is 20. So this way you can, means for, because we had written in this, so for it this is 100%. Now we will declare aside. So I'll remove this comment. So I'll make this part as comment part. So first you can see I'll remove comment from here also. So here for HTML tags, whenever you're using tag, you have to use comment as starting with angular bracket, then exclamation, minus sign. Now this is aside. So here mostly links are given or content related to the web page. So this is aside, this is aside. So this is any message you can write here. You can use links. So many web pages aside is displayed. Now we'll see how it is written. Here, because section is given float left, so aside is given float right. This is any color you can give. Now here you have to remember width and height should be same as section. See now here. See here, this is now 70 and 60. So here I had written width 60 because now this is occupying 70% width. So rest how much percent is remaining? 30%. So that becomes 100. But here you have to write block inline, and that is very important. Otherwise your a side will be not displayed on right side. So this is very important to write. Otherwise it will occupy, even though you write 70%, still it will occupy entire width of the page and a side will be displayed below. Float right, so right side it is floating. So 70%, this is this is 70%, this is 70%, and this is 30%. And height you have to give same because this is 60%, this also. If you change, suppose I had written, if I changed here, suppose at 50, see below this height is changed. So I want equal, then you have to keep equal to height of section. So I'll give 60. Now below footer is mostly used when you want to display some like author name or any social site names. So footer 10% I had given. Color you can give any, and I'll change the color. Suppose I am giving blue and 20%, let's see, 15 will give. And footer you can write anything, any message. So I'll remove this comment. So this is footer below. If you want to change the text color, so I'll change the text color. So footer, so that you'll understand. So same color it is, so I'll change. I'll make it as pink. So below is, this is footer. So any query, any question if you want to ask, you can ask me. So this way, one by one you can practice. So if you are having any doubt, you can ask. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.